Hello everybody, it's the Naked Chef in the house. But today, we're here because of Chicken Africa Initiative. Now, who are these guys? Well, would you know? They provide you with green charcoal briquettes. That's what we're going to show you here today. We'll be making some amazing, delicious meal. And let me introduce you to my sous chefs. Come on in, Rafi and Monsieur Gideon. Again.
Hi, I'm Rafi.
Hi, I'm Gideon representing Chicken Africa.
Right, so today the goal is to make an amazing, tasty meal utilizing this organic, renewable, environmentally friendly fuel. And let's get the show on the way. So, we will be making for you today rice and chicken stew. That's the chicken. Okay, great. So guys, while this cooks, we need to hear more about this amazing wonder stove. I have no clue, so let's bring the specialist. Please tell us, what is this? What's this? What is this?
What we are seeing here is what we are using to cook. This is a stick briquette. I'd like you to hold it, please. The stick briquette cooks for 2 to 4 hours. As you can see, our food is cooking beautifully. There is no smoke, and everything is going to be cooked with just 2 pieces of that. What you're seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is a lighter or a fire starter. This you break just a tiny little piece. Would you like to break a small piece for me, please? Very small. This is enough to light the stove. This is what we used to light the stove as you see it here.
So Judith, you're telling us that this one we're using right now consists of just these 2 guys?
Just those 2.
So this
one cooks for 6 to 8 hours.
Why does it have holes?
The holes are for aeration and combustion, for the heat combustion. And the stoves are customized to these briquettes. And this only costs 3,000 Uganda shillings.
This is 3,000 Ugandan shillings? This big
6
stuff?
to 8 hours, you can cook your beans, you can cook your peas.
8 hours of fuel at 3,000 Ugandan shillings.
And this, a kilo, which is about 5 pieces, cooks for 2 to 4 hours. Clean cooking, very neat. And the stoves are heat insulated, as you can see.
So I can use this indoor?
Yes, you can use it
because
indoor.
It's smokeless.
And it is tested for emissions. So this is not hot, as you can see. This you take, it cooks for 3 years, and it comes with 1 year warranty. If anything happens to it, I give you a stove for free and replace it.
That is a deal you can't resist. 1 year warranty on a stove?
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes, and it is, you just cook whatever you want to cook. It is all clean, there's no dust flying all over. When it is done cooking, this as you see it, it remains intact. And you can take it out and use it in your garden to make sure that you don't get insects. And also it works as manure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Judith. Let's see, woo-ha! Look at this, all made utilizing this green charcoal cooking stove. Can you guys believe this? And the fuel is still going, which means you can do so much more with that. It's efficient, it's clean, it's fantastic, and we have a lovely meal ready to be enjoyed. Mwah!